Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about a useful and helpful extension for the YouTubers who are doing YouTube automation. So this extension is basically used for bulk AI image generation. Just you can go and search for ImageFX automation extension. Then open the Chrome store. You can install this extension. And this extension is the best alternative of Whisk AI. After installing it, just you can pin it at the top. Then click here. Continue with Google. Now select one of the Gmail account. Then scroll down. Click here continue button. Now we need to open Google Flow. Just here you can select this one. Then select your Gmail account. Now click here new project. Here you can see Google Flow is connected. Get started. Okay, now we have different options. Here you can upload the files. Also you can paste the text. Okay, one prompt per line. For example, let me type 4 bikes images should be separate images with different bike models. 4 car images with separate image files with different models. Okay, also you can type anything. After that, here you can go to settings. Then you can select the AI model. Scroll down. Here you can select the aspect ratio. Then this one is the most important thing that you need to select, images per prompt. So these are the 4 images per prompt. Now let's go back, and after that click here load prompt. 2 prompts loaded. Then scroll down, click this button start batch. So now it will automatically create images. Then it will automatically save those images in your laptop. So let's wait for a few seconds. Here you can see images are downloading. So now it is starting the second prompt. So this was just for the demo. You can go to ChatGPT and you can generate the professional prompt. So this one is very useful and helpful Chrome extension that you can easily use, especially if you are doing YouTube automation. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.